children soon will be gods. この狩りの始まりだ。
Holy crap, it's Suction Cup Man.
Look at him go! Yeah. So, Suction Cup Man. It's been a minute since we've watched some Suction Cup Man. In this, he fights a bird. A burb. That's a heck of a thing to be fighting, man. I mean...
Seems like the skill of his battles is going back down somewhat.
Well, yeah, because in one of the previous ones, he literally fought the devil and climbed out of hell. Now at his burb. I don't know what to expect here. All I know is that Piemations is very funny, and I got nothing else. Piemations is funny. Suction Cup Man is funny. Let's just give it a watch and see what's up. Here we go.
That bird has a gun.
It's like, no, it's Suction Cup Man. I forgot to tell you. Oh, old Bagel the pigeon. He pack a gun.
Why does he have that accent?
It's a Slowpoke Rodriguez. It's from a Speedy Gonzales cartoon from back in the day. It's like, wait, Manuel, I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you, oh Slowpoke, he pack a gun.
Look at him go. Don't stare directly at the sun, Suction Cup Man.
Trumpets.
What the fuck, bird? Oh.
Just gonna keep climbing. Stop pecking my ass, you bird asshole!
Oh shit!
Oof.
Alright, he would be dead at this point.
Yeah, it's always the Yamcha. Or no, that's the Family Guy. Sorry.
Not the Yamcha.
Yeah, that's the Family Guy. That's how Peter, whenever Peter landed awkwardly, it was always like arm under like this, arm over back, leg over lap the other.
Good lord, like even having your hand turned like that, that's almost broken at that point.
Yeah. Fuck you! Fuck you, pigeon! I'm climbing this building whether you like it or not. The guitar. Ha ha.
Now it's really gonna kill you.
Hold on, I need to...
Didn't quite have the impact of the original sound.
That's not as loud. Oh, I know. I got a better one. a little better. Ah!
Ow.
Oh no! Oh! Try it. There you go.
Alright then. Apparently there is a suction cup man card game.
Yes.
Piemations, yeah!
Hell yeah. Well, that was a thing,
That it was.
and I'm glad we watched it. That was actually really funny.
Yeah.
That Pigeon was a dick until he wasn't.
It's funny you were talking about like Speedy Gonzalez because that had kind of some of like the old Looney Tunes vibes to it. So with less voice acting this time around, you know.
Yeah. Also, here's the thing. I know a lot of people shit on like the old Looney Tunes and just be like, oh, they're so dated. They're so... It's like they're borderline racist. It's like, well, here's the thing. In some cases, I can see it. But in other cases, it's just like... If the people that it's supposed to be offending aren't offended, then what's your problem? Also, if it's funny, it's funny. Laugh at it. I mean, that's the thing about comedy. Comedy's subjective. It always has been, it always will be. What's funny to one person is not funny to another. That's just like kids nowadays laugh at, like, I was watching my nieces and nephews watch like this compilation of stuff. It was pure brain rot. I'm not joking. Pure brain rot that for me watching like 30 seconds of it, I literally felt my IQ drop 10 points. But them, the whole time, they were like, I'm like, how is this funny? I don't get it. But that's not for me to get. That's for them. It's what they find funny. And that's okay. It's like we find this
Same
funny.
way that the stupid stuff we thought was funny when we were kids was not funny to our parents.
Well, yeah. And the thing is, comedy tastes change over time. It's like I guarantee you, those kids are going to go back and watch that brain rot stuff like 5 years from now. They're going to be like, why did we find this funny?
I've done the same thing.
Oh, I have too. It's like going back and watching some of the old like YouTube stuff that I used to watch back in the day, like some of the old machinima stuff that used to be all over the place. By now standards, it's just bad. It's just.
And I've gone back and watched some
bad.
other stuff from a long time ago, and it still holds up. So
Oh no, yeah, there's
it
still stuff that
depends.
does hold up. There is still stuff that
Then
holds
there's
up.
stuff
But
that I didn't find funny at all as a kid that I think is hilarious now.
yeah,
I was not a King of the Hill fan as a kid at all, but
now it's
really funny.
almost all he watches.
It was just kind of dumb and boring as a kid. Like, nothing really happened, but like when you grow up and you kind of get all of the jokes and stuff that they're doing, so it's just kind of like a level of humor that's kind of above comprehension by a kid that doesn't really, at least one that's probably never been to Texas, you know. Like,
Yeah.
when you like, they literally tell you in the first episode too, like the whole point of it, and it's funnier as an adult. It was a concept that I think as a kid I probably wouldn't have even like, you know, found all that funny. But it's like just a dang old show about nothing, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know, for some reason that hits.
It's basically the Seinfeld of the South, except, you know, no laugh track.
Mm-hmm.
And therefore it's better. Anyway, Suction Cup Man fights a bird. He did in fact fight a bird. And you know what? It was a good time. I approve of this. There's a like on the video for you there, Piemations. Also, more Suction Cup Man. Look at him go. Alright, anyway. That's going to do it. So, till next time, I'm Nate.
I'm Nick.
Y'all be good people. Take care of yourselves. Peace.